poppin'? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well with you guys. Holy mother of God, this video is going to be an absolute banger. We have been smashing the market for months now. Honestly, it's been insane. The profits that we are getting in VIP and premium are crazy. But that isn't what I am doing in this video. This video is here because I've done an in real life vlog sort of video. But I also go out and buy a Rolex and show you an analysis on 1864 sales where it went down all the way to 1775, baby. So if you want to see that, make sure to watch the whole video. If you are new into Forex or been training for a long time and you realize that you are following someone who cannot trade, then check the links in description. We've got a WhatsApp where you can message myself or someone working for TJFX and they'll tell you how to trade, teach how to trade. They are on the bomb, so make sure to check out the WhatsApp. Check out the free trades on Telegram, link in description. It's all free. And also the Discord, nearly 2,000 members in it, so make sure to get involved on that as well. But without further ado, I've spoken enough. Let's just get into this vlog because it's insane. Let's go, baby. New camera has come, let's go baby. Had to upgrade the content. Your boy is out here buying Rolexes. You know, I've got to catch my gold trades as well on HD 4K cameras. So, you know, we can't go with the shit cameras no more. We've got to start upgrading the equipment. So I went out and bought myself a new camera. Don't know what the difference is really, but we've got a Rode mic. Lovely jubbly. Hey, let's go baby. I feel like one of those people that's trying to sell the camera. So, got the camera now. Look at this bad boy. Holy mother of God. This is what we're going to be recording on. Got the Rode mic. Going to be so clean. Okay, your boy TJ. So, I have been trying to get sales. I'm not using the new camera right now, but the new camera's over there. I've been trying to get sales. We got in 1864, aiming for 1833. Let me just show you here. The FTMO funded group who used a copier with me. We obviously got in, and yeah, as you can see, boom. 7 grand. It says 7 grand, all right? It's broken, but as you can see, 1833, aiming for this. Bullish engulfing here, but previous it broke out, pulled back, then engulfed. So therefore we're retesting here on resistance, or we could actually wick out all the way and then continue to sell off. But that is the 4H right now. If I show you the 1 minute, that's the kind of drop we're looking at here. And yeah, I'm just looking for big sells. Yo, what's popping? It's your boy TJ. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, got the product coat on. You know how it is. Today's gonna be a good day. FTMO payout confirmed. Let's go baby. Wait for that 2-week payout. Now we're gonna go and get a Rolex because you know how it is. You know, you gotta earn the money, then you gotta spend it, and you gotta be smart. Obviously you gotta be smart with it, you know, like pay off your car and stuff like that. But when you do all this shit, you gotta go and get a watch, put it on your wrist, enjoy yourself. So without further ado, let's go baby. What a fucking day this is gonna be. Just getting a watch now, getting some links taken out, and then we'll get it. Let's go baby. You know how it is, the Forex market, paying the bills, man. Let's go. Okay, so we're on the analysis now for the 1864 sales. Okay, my main target was 1833. However, you know, your boy was saying 1800 could easily go back down to, and obviously as you can see on this chart right now, we're at 1793, which is crazy. I'm gonna show you why I actually thought this. I've reset my charts as well. I got told, Tommy, can you reset your charts, because I need to understand how you actually see and do your lines. Now that's what I've done for you. I've reset my whole chart, okay? People would not do this. People would not reset their charts because they don't want to lose, you know, all of their credibility from previous months, or even, you know, the whole market direction and the market vision. They don't want to lose it. But your boy TJ's done that. I've done that. So let's, without further ado, you know, let's just get into this video and let's see why we actually sold off 1864. Okay, guys, 1864, or it was either 1864 or 1866. I'm even going to get up the trade right now. 2 seconds. Okay, so we actually called sales at 1876.50, which is shown on the screen here. You know, the top of the wick, which is literally this wick up here. This was the wick that it made. And obviously we caught entries 1866 as well.
because I closed for this and then re-entered, but we're just gonna get straight into it because there's no need to you know, mess about with this. I'm just gonna show you why I actually thought gold was a sell in the first place and how you guys can actually make money from trading gold. So let's just scroll back to the 1 hour. Okay, let's just go straight to the 1 hour. Maybe the 4H, just because the charts, you know, it's done a lot of movement over the past months or so. So we come down all the way down to 1678. We touched twice, we pulled back to 1917, and then we sold off again. 1917, a clear retracement, spike over from 1872, where people would have gone jumping in sells around this area here, using the previous support of the lower highs from the 2000 areas and also the 1960 areas as a resistance. Acted as resistance, sold off, double bottomed on the daily support. Now we're looking for longs because it's collecting orders, and obviously you see this wick out here because people getting in sells here, and also a retracement back to the previous lows highs of the bearish push down, which is up here 1959, this lower high right here. This is obviously like the best way to read gold, and obviously I'm going to show you how and why it actually does this. But look what happened. I'm aiming for this lower high 1900 area. What happens? We spike up 1917. That's absolutely fine. That's absolutely fine. But what do you find here? This was a wick out. Okay, this is pure wick out, pure manipulation, because the real sell-off, which is why it was respecting 1905 here. 1905, if you line it up to the previous lower high of push out 1970, it touches and drops. Okay, this shit, guys, I'm self-taught. I'm self-taught. Everything I'm telling you right now is off the top of my head. It's not a conspiracy why this shit fucking adds up. Okay, it just fucking does. Okay, and I don't know obviously really know how I've managed to learn gold down to the T. I've just absolutely finessed it. I've been doing it for absolute years, and even making this video, it's 8:15 in the morning right now. Like, I don't stop. I do not stop, and that is my problem. I continuously hitting the charts, looking to find how gold moves. Okay, not just the 1H. I go on the 4H, the daily. I want to see market direction. I want to know where it's going. I don't want to know the noise. I don't want to be tricked how everyone gets tricked and looking at a chart closely. I don't want to do that. I want to be able to see overall market direction of this trade. So now we're on the 1H. We've seen it spike up and all that good stuff. We told you the reason why. Price retracement after 1678. We're wicking out, we're retesting the lower highs here. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And let me just tell you, let me just play this and show you how it plays out. So we see a bullish 1760. Look how many lower highs there are, respecting. But this is the thing you need to understand. Look at this. This would just make sense to you. Maybe it makes more sense than a 1H. What happens? We touch previous push up, pull down, lower high right here, bang. 1717, we tried to come down, we couldn't break, still bullish trend. 1720, can't break below this lower high. We push up again, we made new highs at 1830. This is a little zone right here, you know, it's all creating zones. What's going on here? We broke out, as you can see from this pull up here, 1808, pushed down, wicked out. So that's telling me and indicating me that it's still buyers, but it's gonna pull back. Where does it pull back to? Guys, bullish, push up, high, push up, break out, pull back. Where's it pull back to? This shit is fucking insane. Wick out here. Collected orders. What happens after this 1760? We break up above. Now, I just wanted to show you how we got there, because I hate it when, you know, you're watching a video and they don't really talk about the process to how it got there. They just show you what trade they took. And now I'm telling you every fucking thing about gold right now. And yeah, that's how it got to this stage. And obviously we got to this stage because of the previous highs. Okay, lower highs, sorry, making from up here at 1917 down to here. So now we're gonna play it and we're gonna see how it sells off, because you know it's done, and that's basically all what you see. You know, you see it push up. Fair enough, it's an uptrend. However, you know, the yearly overall with gold is sells. It's literally dropped from 2077. So the yearly trend is still sells. That's why this was a high, not breaking out as 1960s, but made a high up here. That is why it's going to retest these around this level right here, because it's the lower highs. It's going to collect, it's got to wick out the people that are already in sells. You might have caught a lucky sell, you know how it is. People hold their trades, okay? Just because you might trade in and out, people hold. And the market manipulates that. And one thing I say to every single person that joins, who trades, you need to remember when gold sells and you got that daily, that yearly, the 4H, you need to respect it and listen to it. You need to understand that, yeah, gold is gonna sell. And it did that exact thing here. And I'm just gonna rewind it just down to here, just so this makes more sense to you. Hold on, let me cancel. So now we're on the daily. Retesting, as I said, the lower highs of this breakout. And what did it do? It sold all the way off. And this is why I wanna show you the whole direction side of things. This is why I want to show you the whole direction or side of things, right? Daily, wicked up, rejected, pull back, 1785 previous lower high for it to go to 1880, 1879, whatever you want to call it. We've now seen it wick out here on the daily, wicked out here, wicked out again, and now we see it bullish push up. This is indicating to me, right? And I'm not even gonna lie, if gold is bullish, then obviously, you know, we're gonna see it go past 1876, 1879 and break out and go long. That's what we're gonna see. That is what we're gonna see if it was to do that. The biggest pullback would be around this area here, 1750, because it's technically wicking everyone out. Likely 1745, just because I'm going off, you know, the previous supports and the previous resistance of the lower highs. Now, if gold does go bullish here, then it's likely to retest 1850, which is right here. I did call 1850, 1811, which is also here. And the reason why you're calling these is because, you know, bearish drop, bang. So 1844, right here. That you're using these lower highs as an act as resistance. It's got a retest. This is the zone. This is like the top of this channel where it will create. You know, it's likely to create a channel here, obviously. Something like this at the moment. However, this is likely its next channel because it's always going to retest. It's going to retest up here because this bearish whole candle right here, it will use this lower high as an act of a collection of orders. Therefore, you know, we're likely to see a price retracement back to 1811 anyway, wick out and then sell off again all the way back down to 1750. If it doesn't do that, the next channel is 1850. If it respects, then yes, gold is bullish. If I was reading this chart and I was a new trader, I would be buying and saying gold is a bullish market right now. After all of that bearish, it's bullish. However, you know, you got to respect the yearly trend. So it depends on when you think the next sale is going to be. I said 1811, 1850 max. If it breaks through them lower, if it breaks through those areas, then we could see gold 2,000 by the end of next year. That would be absolutely insane. But yeah, I made about 12,000 bags on this. Obviously, I'll put a photo up here. Give me absolute bits. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, comment what your thoughts are on gold. As I said, join all the groups. Thank you for the support. Honestly, you guys have blessed me. Much fucking love to all of you. And yeah, stay safe, try not to overtrade, and peace, baby.